How are you all? Hope you all are fine. I am your grade 5 social studies teacher. Right, today's date beta 27-2-2021. We are doing block 25 road safety. This is our last block and we are doing classwork. After this we will do a revision beta. Now take out your reader first. Let us take the questions first. Yes beta, now turn to page number 158. Beta, first you should write here keywords and glossaries beta. You know page number 157, these are your keywords and these are your glossaries. After writing this third bit, you need to write this. Classify the following into traffic rule and traffic violation. Write the traffic rule and traffic violation in the space provided. Read the sentence and write beta. Wearing a seat belt is traffic rule. Means you are following certain situation, children. Next, speed. Traffic violation means you are not following the traffic rules. Read this and fill the above details by writing traffic rule and traffic violation. Next, take the question answers here. Page number 158. Cut second one and write first one. Cut third one and write second one. Cut fifth one and write third one. Cut sixth one and write fourth one. Cut seventh one and write fifth one. These are your questions, children. Kindly tick your questions first. You read and write this beta, traffic rule and traffic violation, where what will come. For example, driving through a red light signal is traffic violation. Slow down at turn, traffic rule. Like this, complete beta, take these questions first. Now see first question. Why is it unsafe to ride with more than 2 people on a scooter? See beta, a scooter can balance 2 people. A scooter can balance 2 people. Where more than 2 people sit on it, it has more weight than it can carry and can become unbalanced and topple, overturn and injure the rider. Okay, this is your first one. Second answer. Pedestrians should never run across the road between the cars. They should avoid getting on or off a running bus and do so at the bus stop. They should cross the road only at zebra crossing. Now third one. Third question. What situation need extra care on the road? How can we prevent accident in such situation? Third answer is in page number 156. From here to here. You write only two points from this. Railway crossing, any 2 points. While cycling, any 2 points. This paragraph you write full. Okay. This is your third answer. Fourth answer. From here to here. Easier. Here to here. In this you write any 2 points. 2 points means how, children? Full stop to full stop. See, don't try to catch the bus by running towards or behind it. That is first point. Second point, you can write this. Allow people to get off before boarding the bus. Like this, any 2 points from this. From this, while on the bus, any 2 points. Third answer, I am repeating again. You write this full paragraph. From railway crossing and while cycling, you write any 2 points from this. Means from first full stop to this full stop, it is your first point. Next to next, it is your another point. Only 2 points I want you all to write. This is your third answer. From here to here is your fourth answer. Next, see beta, fifth one. Why do we need road safety? Write 3 methods to prevent road accidents. Now this you can write your own answer, but I am showing you here. You can write like this. We need road safety for everyone on road. Not only the driver but also the pedestrian and other people on the road should follow safety rules. Second point, the three methods to prevent road accidents are not over speeding. First point, you write like this and write speed limit are for every area on the road and everyone. Next one, you write like this. We must drive with them. Next B1, not overtake at high speed. We should not pass other car or scooter at high speed. Third one, thrill. We must never let ourselves distract by driving with a baby on the lap or talking on the phone while driving. Okay children, till here is your fifth answer. With this we have completed children. Try to complete your classwork beta. Thank you. Have a nice day.